Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. My name is Narid Husseini and this is HyperPix. I'm back with another 80s Texas style with another spectacular one. If you've been following us, you know we're specifically working on Texas style and will help you to transform your text to some specific Texas styles. If you want to download our products, all you gotta do is go to hyperpex.net and get a premium account and get access to all of the Texas styles. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply this to this Texas style without any special knowledge in Photoshop or spending a lot of money. Okay, let me show you how. Right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. And in the new window, double click on the text layer and type your own text. There it is. You can also change the font a little bit. You can also change the size and resize your text. Double click on the FX icon and select pattern and move the pattern. But keep this in mind that put the wave in the middle. Okay, let's go to style. You can also change the pattern and move it away. Okay, I'm gonna do the pattern again. I'm gonna position it in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna position it in the middle. I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna select save. Okay, beautifully done. As you can see here, my style has been applied to my text. As you can see, the result is perfect. Let me show you how these layers works. Before anything else, go to FX folder and deactivate and disable the extrusion so we can have more speed in editing. Go to edit adjustment. You can see color and brightness and contrast folder, which you can double click on them and change the variables to get new results. You can change the colors just like this. And you can get new colors, which is amazing. We got a vignette. There is an inner shadow around our artwork. You can disable it or enable it. It gives a cinematic look to our design. You can also change the color. We got noise on and noise off. Noise on is this little bit of noise for a retro look to our design. Our designers put this on our design. If you don't want it, all you gotta do is to disable it and turn on the noise off. But keep this in mind that you can't have both of them on. One of these two has to be on. Just one of them. Okay? We got a text layer here, easily editable. Just double click on it and write your own text. There it is. You can change the font. You can also change the spacing between letters. You can also disable it. We got sparkles, like most of our products. These star-shaped lights gives a very bright look to your design, but you gotta position them on the highlights of your design, just like white parts of your design, so it gives a shiny look to your design. It can help. Easy peasy. You can also select them and remove them. Press delete to remove them. You can also press alt and drag it to duplicate it wherever you want. Okay, we got sparkles done. Next one is the effects folder, which contains the technical part of our design. Except for extrusion that we turned off, just skip the others. We got backgrounds, which contains the colors of our background. We also got the highlights down here. You can easily remove it. Also smoke here on this little planet here. You can also remove it. You can resize it. There it is. Okay, we got uh, this mediates behind our design. And finally, we got the stars. You can disable it or enable it. Let's turn on the extrusion so see the results. There it is. Our 3D look pops up. Now, in very short amount of time, we apply this to our text. Let me show you how this works with a logo. I think you like it. Right click on the yellow layer and import your logo into this window. Okay. Import your logo and drag it to the window and position it in the middle. I'm going to delete one of the layers, text layers. I'm going to apply the text style on my logo, but on both logo and the text. Before anything else, let's split this logo in two. Select a rectangular marquee tool and select the upper part and press Ctrl-Shift-J or Command-Shift-J and split this in two. Okay, right click on the text layer and select copy layer style. I'm going to remove it and select both layers and press paste layer style. Our style has been applied. All we gotta do is put the pattern where they should go. Go to pattern overlay and drag the pattern on the empty space of your design. Okay, I think it's good. Let's do the same thing. I think it's good, but we're gonna move the pattern a little bit. Beautifully done. I'm gonna position it in the middle. I'm gonna close it and select yes. There it is, beautiful. As you can see, very easy done to my logo. Very attractive actually. Let's put the sparkles where they should go. I'm going to remove them all except for one, and I'm going to press Alt and drag it. Okay, it's done. As you can see, I could easily put them where it should go. And I applied this 80s look to my logo and text. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this and hundreds of other text effects that will help you with your next project, your commercial project, and your personal project. No credit needed. That's beautiful and amazing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel so don't miss the new videos. Thanks for watching this.